Assalamualaikum students. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Sradullah Lata. In the previous video, definitely we talked about significant figures and the physical measurement like mass and time. Okay. Now, this is the most important topic. Students are mostly confused in that case. What are errors? Okay. Always remember, student. First of all, you should know the basic concept of the error. It is defined as the difference between the measured value and the actual value. Let's suppose if two friends are taking the measurement while using the same instrument like vernier caliper or screw gauge, even though they will not get the same answer. Okay, the difference between those managements or measurements are called error. What are the reason behind? Okay, I will explain you. Always remember, student, that there are many types of error. Okay, in the previous video I told you that what are the reason behind why two students are not getting the same answer even though they are using the same instrument like vernier caliper, screw gauge, or even the ruler as well. Number one is the reason, student, systematic error. Listen carefully, student. This error is introduced in the reading due to a fault in the system. What does it mean? In the system means it can be instrument have fault, or you are using the difference method, or maybe the wrong method, or given equations or formula. You are not applying the required formula, you are not using the right method, or maybe the instrument have some fault. Okay, so remember my word, students. Number second point, ruler is placed in the wrong side. Eroded ruler and zero in missing. What does it mean? It means that ruler may be displaced horizontally instead of the vertically. Number one reason. Or eroded error means like suppose one or two number is missing. Okay, and definitely in the sum ruler there is zero is missing. So remember my word, student, ruler must be placed in the wrong side. Either the zero is missing, or you can say eroded ruler we have used. Okay, number third reason. Student, always remember, student, write in CIA that if systematic error can be removed by taking the average or taking a multiple reading. No, student. Let's suppose if the instrument has some zero error or any error, you are getting the answer 4.1, 4.2, 4.3. If you take all the average, okay, and you get the answer, you will not get the correct answer. The solution is there, student. Carefully listen. Figure out the problem and remove the instrument or change the instrument. Okay, so taking the average or the repetition will not solve this error. Systematic error, it means that the instrument will be removed. I hope you got it. Okay, students, second error is random error. This error is introduced due to environmental conditions or human reaction time. What does it mean? Environmental condition means definitely humidity, temperature, okay, which definitely beyond our control. Okay, so definitely it cannot be controlled in our hand. So do remember environmental conditions, okay, or human reaction time. Let's suppose I can give you the example of the time period of a simple pendulum. Okay, I can give you the stopwatch. So definitely once I started the time, one student take 1 second, second student will start the stopwatch after 2 seconds. So this is known as human reaction time. Okay, student, so definitely human reaction time can be minimized, okay, but it cannot be avoided. Mind my words. Okay, now take, what do we do? Take multiple readings if you want to take and determine the average. Always remember how you are going to take the reading, student. Always remember, take 10 times to 20 times while we are calculating the time period of a simple pendulum. Okay, are you getting my point or not? So definitely example, temperature sensitive devices air is entering through window, it also called as random error. Okay, the random error definitely will be minimized, okay, but it cannot be neglected, okay, by taking the average, by taking the repetition, but you will not do this thing in the systematic error. Okay. Okay, student, this error is most important error which is mostly asked in the exam, parallax error. Okay, this error is introduced due to wrong positioning of eye while taking reading. What does it mean? Student, always remember one thing, that your eyesight must be perpendicular to the surface. Always remember. Let's suppose this is the reading, okay? You will decide which person will correct the reading. This X1 person will get the answer 12.5. This person got the answer 12 and this person got the answer 11.8. Always remember, student, your eyesight must be perpendicular to the surface, means perpendicular. Okay, the line of sight must be perpendicular to the reading to avoid parallax error. Always remember, student, either you are using the ruler, okay, your eyesight must be perpendicular. If your eyesight is not perpendicular, you will get the wrong answer. See, 12.5 is the wrong answer, 11.5 is the wrong answer. Which one is correct? 12 is the correct answer because his eyesight is perpendicular to this device. Okay, I will also upload the picture also where you can see properly as well. Okay, now how you are going to avoid this error, student? Either raise or lower yourself or apparatus. Okay, it depends on you. Either you are going to raise or lower yourself or you are going to raise your apparatus so that readings are at your eye level. Okay, so this errors introduced. Definitely you put your eyesight in the wrong position. Definitely it should be perpendicular to the device. Okay, so that this error will be avoided. Mostly asked in the exam, student, P2 P4. Okay, student, the second topic we have prefixes. Why do we use prefixes? Or scientists, what is the need of using prefixes? Student, there are two reasons. Either the values are so small that it cannot be written in a decimal form, or you can write, but it takes a long much time. Or second reason is that you have a very large value, so definitely it should be written in a prefix value where you are convenient and easy to write. Number one thing, instead of using decimal notation, student, it is more convenient to use prefixes. Okay, let's suppose, student, this is the example, 1 divided by 100,000 k. Okay, so what is the value? You will get this value. So instead of writing in that way, student, you need to shift the decimal to the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 की power mind. Always remember, student, if you are moving from left to right, student, note these things. You will get the minus sign. Okay, or if you are moving from right to left, student, right to left, you will get positive increment. Okay, and let's suppose you are moving 1000. Okay, if you are moving from right to left, 1, 2, 3, 1 exponential positive 3. Okay, so do remember this 10. Either you are moving from this direction, the negative sign will become, or if you are moving from right to left, student, you will get the positive sign. Okay, your confusion will be removed. Number this minus 6 is definitely known as, student, micrometer. Okay, micro. Okay, you can symbol write 10 की power minus 6. You need to memorize some prefixes, student, so that in the exam, the examiner gives you kilo, micro, giga or decimal. So definitely you should open the prefix and get the answer. Second, student, while measuring long distances such as 3, 6, 9, 12. 12 zeros you have. Instead of writing this whole value, student, or you are going to calculate the speed of the galaxy or speed of the space, it is so much difficult in definitely space chapter. You are using, instead of writing 10 ki power 12, you can write 1 terameter. Tera stand for 10 ki power 12. Okay, so either the values are small, you are going to use prefix, it will be more convenient, or if the values are bigger or larger, definitely this method is easy for us. Okay, students, there are some common prefix, okay, and symbol you should remember. Okay, there are many prefix, but mostly these are important for exam point of view. Okay, 10 ki power 12 means tera, symbol capital T. Okay, definitely 10 ki power positive 9 stand for giga, capital G. Okay, 10 ki power 6 stand for mega, capital M. Then we have 10 ki power 3 kilo stand for capital K. Okay, so definitely examiner give you around 10 kilonewton. So if you know the prefix, you will open this 10 exponential 3 newton. Got it? Because if the students are unknown about this, definitely it will take time. Now, definitely you have 10 ki power minus 1 stand for deci, small d. 10 ki power minus 2 stand for centi. See, mostly less used in the exam, definitely. But this is mostly used. 10 ki power minus 3, milli, small m. Micro, I told you 10 ki power minus 6, and nano 10 ki power minus n. Okay, so definitely if you revise this lecture again and again, and you can write in your copy, students, okay, so definitely it will learn you by heart. Okay, so giga starting from tera till you have to go through nano. Okay. Okay, student. Now, more important point in the exam is then mostly student will not get a static or even A just because of not converted into standard form. Student, always remember, this is Cambridge important point of view. You have to follow their marking scheme. Another convenient or acceptable way of expressing physical quantity, I told you 7 physical quantity: length, time, mass, luminous intensity, electric current, amount of substance, okay, and definitely current. It is a way of writing numbers, any numbers, in which a number between 1 to 10 is multiplied by an appropriate power of 10. It means that either which number you are giving, it should be multiplied by written in the exponent form. Okay, I will give you some example so that you can understand that I don't want to lose any single mark. Okay. Okay, students, now we have standard form examples. Okay. Now, first of all, 0.00567. You are not going to, you are going to convert into standard form. How? You are going to shift the decimal 1, 2, and 3. 5.67 exponential minus. It is mandatory after one number you have a decimal point. Okay. Now, if you don't see any decimal in question number 2, always remember, student, that decimal number or decimal point is always lie in the end. Now, it should be moved backward. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1.68 exponential positive 4. Okay, you are moving from left to right or right to left, depends on the condition. Okay, now student, if you have given the prefix, you are going to open it. 1 kilometer means 1000 meter, 1 exponent 3 meter. Okay, you are just opening the prefix. 8 nanosecond means 8 exponential minus 9. Nano means minus 9. 3 megajoule. Mega means 10 ki power 6. 5 milli 10 ki power minus 3. 6 micro 6 exponential minus 6. It means that either you need to convert into standard form or you are just need to open the prefix. You must know all these. Okay, student. Now let's suppose this is the example or the exam question. The examiner asks you to convert into a standard form. you first see the exponent is micro, means 10 की power minus 6. Now, always remember student that decimal point is not given in this question. What did I tell you? That a decimal point must be in the end. Now, decimal point is moving backward one time, okay? Means you are going to add plus 1 minus 6 plus 1 because you are moving one time backward. So you will get the answer minus 5 because you are going to see the digit. Which digit is greater? Definitely 6. So you will get the answer of the greater digit. Okay. This is the standard form, student. If you write in that way in the exam, you will not get any mark. Okay. Your 1 mark, or maybe if you are getting the A grade, you will get the B grade. Okay. Just because of not converting into standard form. Now, student, there are some rules, okay, which you need to understand. 3 rules for your simplicity, so that in the exam it will become easy for you. Number 1 rule: if a prefix to be inserted with the unit, means prefix is within the unit. Number 1, please divide the quantity with the exponent of that prefix. What does it mean? See, 800 meter to kilometer, it means that you have given the prefix, so you are going to divide with the prefix. Kilo means 10 की power 3, means 1000. You are going to move backward 3 times. 1, 2 and 3. 0.8 kilometer you will get the answer. Okay. So whenever you have given the prefix, divide with the prefix, you will get the answer, student. Second example, 48,000 gram to mega. Mega means 10 की power 6, means you are shift 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you don't have any digit, put 0 over here. 6 and you will get the answer. Okay, I hope you are getting the answer. Okay, if the prefix is given to you, you are going to divide with the prefix and you will get the answer. This is rule number 1. Yes, student. Rule number 2, if a prefix to be removed from a unit, multiply the quantity within the exponent of that prefix. What does it mean? If you have given the prefix 670 microsecond, you are going to open the bracket. Bracket means 10 की power minus 6. Okay, just open the micro, 10 की power minus 6. Okay, or remember, micro symbol is also, student, is this. Okay, 10 की power minus 6. Now you are not going to put this in that form answer. No, it should be in the standard form. Now point is always in the end, student. It should be moved 2 times backward. Okay, so you will get the answer 6.7 exponential minus 4 second. Okay, standard form is mandatory, student. Okay, second example, you can try 30 mega Newton to Newton. Mega means 10 की power. Okay, mega stand for 10 की power positive 6. Okay, now again, this is not the standard answer. You need to shift backward 1 decimal time. It means that 3.0 exponent 7 Newton is the correct answer according to standard form. Okay. Now, third example, 4800 millivolt. Milli means 10 की power. Okay, 10 की power. Be small m, 10 की power minus 3, student. Open it. Now, milli means 10 की power minus 3, or you can divide with 1000 as well. Okay, it depends on you. Now you need to move 3 times backward. 1, 2 and 3. 4.8 volt. Now this is already in the standard form. Okay, so you are not going to convert or move backward 1 time. Okay, it is already in the standard form. Okay, student, so always remember, if you have given the exponent, open the exponent and convert it into a standard form. I hope you are liking this lecture and you are getting the knowledge. Okay. Okay, student, rule number 3, last rule. Okay, if the prefix to be replaced with another, it means that you are going to use both rule number 1 and rule number 2. How? 500 microsecond to millisecond. Micro means Just open the bracket, exponent minus 6, milli 10 की power minus 6 divide with 10 की power minus 6. Now rule apply. When you have given the exponent, student, always remember minus 3 will go upward, okay, and it will become into a positive sign, okay. Then you will get the answer minus 6 and plus 3, you will get minus 3. 500 millisecond is your required answer, okay. When you have given the exponent as well and definitely the quantity, you are going to open the prefix and divide with the quantity, okay. Example number 2, 65 kilonewton to decimnewton, student, okay. Kilo means 10 की power 3, student. Deci means 10 की power minus 1. Minus 1 will go upward. It will become 65 exponential 4. Now, this is not the standard form. You are going to shift backward one time to get the standard form answer. Okay. Last example, 8.85 exponent minus 12 gigajoule. Giga means 10 की power 9, micro 10 की power minus 6. First of all, I have solved the upper solve minus 12 and plus 9 minus 3. Then minus 6 will go upward. It will become plus 3. Okay. And already it is written in the standard form, student. So you are not going to change anything. I hope you are getting it and understanding it.